I used to struggle with this problem every single time I filmed overhead shots. My camera would either shake, cast shadows, or capture the worst angles imaginable. But then I found something that completely changed my setup, and honestly, I can't believe I didn't try this sooner. Whether I'm filming a top-down cooking demo, recording a drawing session, or even product reviews for smaller items, getting the perfect overhead angle used to be a nightmare. I tried stacking books, using regular tripods, you name it, but nothing was stable and the lighting was always uneven. That's where this overhead phone mount with LED light comes in. It has a flexible articulating arm that lets me position my phone exactly where I want it, front, side, or perfectly overhead. The clamp fits almost any smartphone between 2.4 and 4 inches wide, and the table mount grips securely with a heavy-duty C-clamp without scratching my desk. The built-in light has 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, which means I can switch between a warm, cozy tone for a cooking video to a bright daylight look for art tutorials. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes on high or 180 minutes on low, and charges with convenient USB-C cable. One tip, it's designed for phones and light devices only, not heavy cameras, and it works best as a supplemental light, perfect for recording, but not as your main room lighting. And remember that problem I mentioned at the start, the shaky, shadowy videos? This setup completely fixed that. My recordings are finally smooth, stable, and perfectly lit without the struggle. Links are in the description if you want to check this out. They're affiliate links, so using them helps support the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.